You are looking at a live picture from our Poor Mountain sky cam. A lot of haze out there today. Hazy, hot, and humid. It felt every bit like July out there today with temperatures above normal. This is day 2 of our heat wave, and this heat wave will likely continue into at least Friday. Let's head on over and show you what the satellite and radar composite looks like on the regional view. In areas north of us, that's where we've got some pretty nasty weather. Near Winchester right now, we have a severe thunderstorm warning. Also have a few severe thunderstorm warnings in and around Pittsburgh. Even a little bit of development out west into parts of West Virginia and Ohio. And for that reason, I cannot 100% rule out a stray shower or thunder shower, especially in areas north of Roanoke from now through about 8, 9 o'clock. But it looks like it's overall going to be fairly quiet for us. For the day tomorrow, high temperatures around 94, but when you factor in the high humidity, it's going to feel more like 95 to 100 degrees. And oh, by the way, tomorrow a slightly better chance for a few late day thunder showers. I do think, however, there's a better chance for some spotty thunder showers as we head into the day on Thursday. And once again, we're looking at highs in the low to mid 90s. So temperatures going to stay in the 90s here all the way through Friday. I think by Saturday and Sunday, temperatures may actually cool down just a wee bit. We'll explain why here in a second. Future tracker showing that overnight tonight, we are looking for the most part dry. Again, maybe a stray shower or thunder shower north of Roanoke. Otherwise, could have some fog developing later on. Looks like Wednesday starts with skies partly to mostly sunny. Could start to see a little more cloud cover rolling in during the afternoon. Again, tomorrow that chance is there for a stray shower or thunder shower. Best chance on Wednesday will come later in the afternoon into the early evening. Best chance will also be likely towards the NRV. I think you folks say in Hillsville, Wytheville, Grayson County probably have the best chance of seeing a stray thunder shower or two on Wednesday afternoon. I think by around 9, 10 o'clock Wednesday evening, if there is anything around, it ends, and then could have a little more fog developing Wednesday night. Thursday starts dry with some breaks of sun. As we head into Thursday afternoon, there's a better chance for some hit or miss thunder showers. Temperatures stand right now, it's actually very comfortable in Hot Springs, 72, where you've had a little more cloud cover. You even had a few showers around Hot Springs today. It's 90 though in Lynchburg. Hot spot, Roanoke 93, tied with South Boston at 93, 91 at this hour in Martinsville. Here are the numbers we need to beat tomorrow, and again, I don't think we're going to get there. The number to beat in Roanoke, 102, number to beat in Lynchburg, 98, number to beat in Blacksburg, 91. If we are to break a record high tomorrow, I think Blacksburg, you could be the winner. Danville, the number to beat tomorrow is 100. We're looking at highs between 90 and 95, but anytime you have these records in the triple digits, those are going to, I think, be kind of hard to beat. But nevertheless, Blacksburg, you're going to come close as we head into tomorrow afternoon. There's a heat dome through Friday pretty much right overhead, and that means it's going to feel like 95 to 105. But as we've been saying over the last couple of days, there's at least a little reprieve from the heat coming as we head into the weekend, as the heat dome actually shifts a little bit farther to the west. Now, we're still looking at highs in the mid to upper 80s as we head into Saturday, Sunday, even into next Monday, but it's not going to be quite as hot out there. Temperatures may fall just a tad. Ways to beat the heat over the next couple of days: seek shade, drink lots of water, check on your pets, also check on the elderly, and you want to stay in the air conditioning as much as you can, and also wear that light colored, loose fitting clothing. Dew points right now are fairly high. We've got them higher right now than they were 24 hours ago. Those dew points are mainly in the 60s at this point, even a few lower 70s out across south side. Tonight, warm and muggy, partly cloudy with a little bit of fog. Overnight lows in the 60s and lower 70s. Tomorrow, hazy, hot and humid. It's going to feel like 95 to 100, even though air temperatures will mainly be in the 80s and 90s. 3-degree guarantee high on Wednesday, hump day, 94. 94 on Thursday, 92 Friday, mid to upper 80s for us Saturday all the way through Tuesday. The wettest day this week will likely be Friday. Saturday right now could be just a tad wetter than Sunday, but not one weekend day looks to be a washout. A 30% chance for some spotty thunder showers Saturday. The chance for rain does go down to 20% on Sunday, only to go up a little bit again early next week.